Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson, MarineMax Clearwater here. We've got a very exciting boat that I've been waiting for a long time. We've been pre-sold on our orders for a while, but we finally have one. This is the new G23 Paragon. If you're looking for that next level in wake surfing, this is it. The G25 with half ballast with full ballast runs the same as this boat with half ballast. They redesigned the hull entirely from the bottom up. They didn't just add stuff to the boat. If you look at the bow here, this is 14 inches wider than the old G series, and you'll really see that when we get on the boat. Walking back, you'll first notice the different steps in the bottom. Big difference from the old hull. Displaces a lot more water. We've got 4 subwoofers on this boat. In the back on the stern here, we've got a wake sub on each side, plus 2 more on the inside up in the helm area. When we hop on the back, first thing that you're going to notice is how wide and how much seating you have, and check out these sun loungers. I'm 6'2", plenty of comfort. I've even got a cup holder right here. So now while we're sitting at the beach or wake surfing, you've got a nice big comfortable area instead of a small seat. 4 steps walking through. The engine compartment that I'm standing on here is hydraulic now, so it's touch of a button, the whole thing lifts up. They did that partly to add weight and ballast to the boat. That adds an additional 500-600 pounds. It's going to make your wake even bigger. If you're driving, you want to be able to see, give those a fold down. Now they're out of the way like the old G's used to be. They also added additional storage in here for your wakeboards, wake surf boards as well. Slide them right in. You've got easy storage without having to twist them around and try to get them in there. Coming through, check out the size of this tower. I'm 6'2", like I just said. I can put my hands up underneath this thing. It's not just about not ducking. You've got plenty of room with this tower up. In each one of these tower speakers, you've got 2 massive speakers for a total of 4 speakers on the top. We've got our strapless board racks that Nautique brought out a few years ago that have been a game changer. Storage on the top as well. Another big difference here on the Paragon, now we've got 2 screens. Before, the big advancement was 1 screen that was a touch screen. Now we've got 2, so you've got a designated one in the center there is going to be all of your display information. So as you're going through your settings, all of your settings are going to be on the right, display on the left. And also, we had a lot of feedback about the NCRS tab and the NSS tab trying to adjust the wake. Well, now you just go in and you set your wake based on a picture of 1 to 10. So it's going to show you the shape and the size of the wake, and the boat does the rest. Finally, like I mentioned below, check out this bow. 14 inches wider, plenty of room for me. You've got 2 different flip-up options to turn this into a big sun pad, and then we've got flip-up armrests. If you guys have any other questions about this boat, give me a call or shoot me a text on my cell phone, 303-875-3988. I'd love you guys to show up with your boards. We'll drop it in the water and take it for a demo. Thanks for watching.